How you doing, buddy? Are you driving on the road now? Hey, you got a passenger, huh? It looks like you have a license.
And the passenger too. This.
Bye-bye. Hello, good morning, and today is Saturday morning at 11:42. So I guess you guys doing okay, and we have a very good, a beautiful Saturday. They call it might be spring because it's summertime. Now I can use regular shirt without jacket at all and short. So, and I hope you guys enjoying in this video. And today we had a party in this afternoon, but we will go in somewhere else first before we go down to the party. I mean, we're going down to my daughter and visit her, and of course they will follow us to the birthday celebration somewhere. One of my wife office mates. So, and here again, another day for us. And thank you for guys always there for me and supporting my video. And I'm glad that you're always there for me and enjoying your video. And I guess kind of, I'm not sure if you guys are happy for it, but thanks so much for all the time. And I'm always there. You guys are always there for me and supporting my video all the time. And I'm very glad. For those subscribers and viewers, thank you so much. And right now we're going to the Costco and buy some stuff, and before we go down to my daughter's house. So I will show you some video that can make a difference. I don't know if you guys can say difference, but I met some of the Filipino fellows to having in this party. I don't know them actually. I had no idea about them, but we will see how the party is going on. Anyway, thanks so much for you guys always there for me all the time and giving me opportunity to make a video and watching my video. I know it's some kind of weird for you guys, but I will be one day to make you guys more happy for it and show you more things, differences, and make a new look. Anyway, I'll see you again. See you later. So to make a different view again for this coming party and different, I don't know. See you again.
I already sent people over there to do food court.
Diretso na tayo. Punta tayo kumain.
I-rep mo na lang ito sa anak mo. Para hindi masura.
Alin?
Yung chicken.
Oh, pwede na may lagay doon.
Ito may itong panahon eh.
Oh,
Saka yung soup.
lagay mo na doon. Thank you so much.
Guys, have a good one.
Nope.
You want to go to the garden?
Ayun talaga ha. Hindi pa maalis yung dalawang kulukoy doon, no? Eh, dumadaan, no? Hindi pa nakikita sa sakyan.
Hmm.
Maaga pa naman tayo uwi.
Kaya nga. Ano nga bang dadaan natin doon? Eh di kung dadaan tayo ngayon na. Ba't ka pa...
Bagay.
Oh, hindi. Ang laki ah.
Kaya mo siya. Sulit yung car wash natin dito ah.
Kaya nga.
Kailan ang expiration nun?
June pa yata.
Wow, galing. Panalo. Oh. Okay ka lang? Wangbu. Kumaliwa rin, akala niya Costco. Kita niya pulis. Atras siya eh. Bila kabig.
Nag-freak out. Oh, ano to?
Parang si Ronaldo eh. Atras eh.
Si Google kasi sabi turn left. Turn left. Ulit kasi ni Google. Ulit-ulit.
Pag doon ang tagal eh.
Oo.
Parang mahina yung camera system niya.
Oo, kaya nga. Yung gitna lang ang maayos.
Vacuuming pa yun. May nagkalat.
Parang summer ka na din.
Ano, naka-aircon nga lang, init pa.
Oo nga eh. Sarap nga rito sa loob ng washing sa car wash. Ang pag-inhawa.
Ito siguro kung bumili ka ng ticket ngayon, tatay.
Patay talaga.
Kulang ang 3,000.
Kulang yun. Dress ko sa akin pa lang yun. Wala ka. Pero hindi, wala ka. Sa Ismail tayo din, wala ka. Wala mo din. Hindi na ako sa date lang eh. Dalawa yun.
finish. Then
Tawag
now,
ay, o nga pala, vacuum.
vacuum. Let's go. Go to Target. Target.
Slang?
Hmm?
Slang sabi ko.
Anong plan?
Anong plan? Slang. Yung salita mo, slang.
Bagal mo na mabas eh. Lalabas ka lang, hindi ka makalabas-labas. O, ayan. Labas! Simple-simple lumabas eh. Kanina ka pa dyan eh. Kailangan may anak mo.
Hindi pa sumasagot eh. Sinubukan ko tawagan. Baka nagbabalibol pa yun.
O di wala pa pala. Dito muna tayo. Dito muna tayo ng drinks.
Correct.
Nakalawit ang uso nito.
Kaya
Haba.
nga eh. Pero sagad na oh, sa likod. Hindi rin maganda yung sobrang haba na de.
Oo. Hirap kaya nga.
Pwedeng risky.
Pero hindi nalulusaw yung yelo talaga. Oh.
Kaya nga, malamig dun eh no?
Tsaka sa gabi. Sa gabi siguro. Malamig kasi sa gabi.
Malamang. Tsaka iba't laging hangin din dun de.
Oo. Mataas eh.
Nakita mo nun, nanginig tayo dun sa Garden of the Gods sa lamig. Ba, puro na ka ang mga suot. Labas ang balikat, labas ang legs. Diba? Ganda ng araw eh.
Walang parking.
Kaya nga.
Ay, doon pala may umalis oh.
Hindi umikot ka na lang.
Wala na. Naunahan na. Ito, paikot-ikot na to. Kanina pa to eh.
Kahit na malayo, okay lang kasi wala tayong halos bibilin.
Dito tayo. Malapit-lapit.
Ayun ba? Meron yata.
Yan oh. Diba? At least malapit-lapit.
Kaya